What did you say?
Nothing. I said, lovely weather.
Lovely weather?
Yes, the sun is shining.
Oh, I see. It is lovely.
See? Whoa, look at that mango. It's so big. And I'm going to be the one who gets it.
Did you just watch that video? Now, that particular video was gotten from just a simple idea, from scripting to prompting to everything. Now, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you everything that I used in getting that particular video. Yes, from your prompt to your scripting to images, everything you need to get the video. All right. And the best part of it is that you do not need to be an animator. Anybody can do it. Now, for those of you who are seeing me for the first time, welcome to my page, welcome to my channel. My name is Glory. I teach you how to use AI to create movies and stories. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Let's get started. Now, when you want to start your kid's story, the first thing is your idea. Now, that idea of yours, you use either ChatGPT or Claude AI or any AI tool of your choice to expatiate on that idea. Here, I'm going to put in my idea. This is ChatGPT, and then hit send. Now, we're going to wait for ChatGPT to write our story. Now, you can see how the story is coming out. You see that? Now, we're going to wait for it. Now, ChatGPT is done. The next thing is we're going to ask it to give us image prompts. So, give me image prompts. Okay, prompts for this story in 3D, in 3D pixel style. Okay, and then keep characters consistent. Make images colorful. Colorful for kids. So I'm going to create about 4 images for this. Now, because of tutorial purposes, but you can create as many as you want for the story, right? So now you can see here that it has been broken into 4 prompts. Now, the next thing we're going to do is to copy each prompt and move it into an image generator tool. Now, an example is Flow or Whisk AI, whichever you would love to use. Next thing is we're going into an image generator tool. This one is Flow. We have different types. We have Whisk AI, we have OpenArt, but for this one, we're going to use Flow AI. Now, we're going to hit on New Project and then come here and put in our prompt. Now, before we begin to generate our images, ensure that you can see here where it says nano banana. Click on that. Ensure that your aspect ratio is on 16:9. Okay, not 9:16 because you're going to use it for YouTube. Leave it on 16:9. All right, and then come into this box here and put in your prompt and hit generate. So you're going to wait patiently for your images to generate. Now we can see that our images, one of them is up. So what we can do here is take one that you like and just download. Now you can either download it on 1K or 2K or 4K, whichever you want. And then we're going back again now into ChatGPT to get the next prompts. Now the race begins. So we're going to copy this prompt, the second one. So I've copied the second prompt like this, or you can just click on this copy here and copy it, and then move back to Flow AI. Move back to Flow AI, put in this prompt, you see that, and hit generate. So this is what we are going to do for all the scenes. So my 4 scenes, this is exactly how I'm going to create them. Okay. So this is the second one. We're going to download this one. Now, once you're done, now you can see on this other side is showing failed. Sometimes it's like that. What you just have to do is put in the prompt again and then generate that image again. But you can see here out of the 2, one came out and I like that one, and that's why I'm going with that. Now I'll go back again to ChatGPT, get the third prompt and move back to Flow. Do the same thing here. So you keep doing that, like I said, for all your images. As you can see, our images are ready. All I need to do is get it and then save. So the 4 images are ready. The next stage is we need to animate this video. But before we do that, we'll go back again to ChatGPT. Now you can see that the AI is the one doing the job. We'll go back here and tell it to give us a storyboard. So here's a storyboard. So we're going to take each of these now and turn them into a movie. So we're going to come here. This is one. And then next stage is Grok. Stage is Grok. This is Grok AI. So we're going to create videos and then come here, photo. We're going to put the first one, Tamu the monkey. BB is the rabbit. So you can see that we've separated them so that the AI would know exactly who is talking. We're going to wait for our video to hit 100 and then we're going to watch it.
Whoa, look at that mango! It's so big! And I'm going to be the one who gets.
We're going
Whoa!
back to the second one here, and then we'll go back to
Whoa,
Grok.
look at that
This is
mango!
Grok. We'll take this back and put this. Now, this is what you will do for all your scenes. Going back, bringing them here, and then putting them together. So we're going to wait for it to hit 100 again, and we'll do the next scene.
I'm much faster than you, but I'm much stronger. Ha! You're both forgetting who's the smartest.
So this is CapCut. You're going to click on the plus sign, and then you're going to bring them together.
What did
So our video is ready. All you have to do is do your editing and all, and then you export. Now, once you're done exporting, you see the end of the video.
you say?
Nothing. I said, lovely weather.
Lovely weather?
Yes, the sun is shining.
Oh, I see. It is lovely.
See? Whoa, look at that mango! It's so big! And I'm going to be the one who gets.
So that's how you do your movie, and then your video is ready to be uploaded.